Local news for Thursday the 8th of February. The search is on again for New Zealand's best rural general practice team, and as judged by the community. The award, now in its fourth year, will be announced at the New Zealand Rural General Practice Network's National Rural Health Conference in Auckland, being held between the 5th and 8th of April. Martinborough Medical Centre won the award in 2016. Entries are now open and are until the close of business on Friday the 9th of March and will be judged by a panel comprising of representatives from each of the awards partners. Fluoridation is not safe and not effective. That is the message from Fluoride Free New Zealand, who are hosting a series of free public lectures on the topic this month. Professor Paul Cornett says everybody has a choice over what goes in their body and their water. When a town is fluoridated, he'll be visiting Wairarapa later this month. And in sport, just two of the Giants teams are at home this week, with the P2 men hosting Hutt Valley Marist at 1 and the under-15s playing Te Araha at 10:30. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.